Crafting with solid wood offers a unique opportunity to create beautiful, functional pieces that showcase the material's natural beauty while remaining budget-friendly. The appeal of solid wood lies not only in its durability and versatility, but also in the warmth and character it brings to any project. When approached with creativity and resourcefulness, woodworking can yield stunning results without breaking the bank. This exploration delves into various project ideas that emphasize the beauty of solid wood in its natural state while being accessible to both novice and experienced artisans. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about solid wood crafts project ideas, making them budget-friendly and beautiful pieces by showing you a collection of solid wood furniture and decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At the heart of any wooden craft project is the selection of quality wood. Solid wood, such as pine, oak, or cedar, can often be sourced at reasonable prices, especially if you consider using reclaimed lumber or offcuts from local suppliers. These materials often carry their own history, adding depth and uniqueness to the project. For instance, using reclaimed barn wood can bring character and a rustic charm that is hard to replicate. Not only does working with reclaimed materials reduce costs, but it also promotes sustainability, making each project an eco-friendly endeavor. One of the simplest and most rewarding projects using solid wood is creating custom shelving. Shelves made from solid wood not only serve a practical purpose, but also become a focal point in any room. A well-constructed wooden shelf can be mounted in a living room, kitchen, or office, providing space for books, plants, or decorative items. The beauty of solid wood can shine through with just a light sanding and a natural finish, allowing the wood grain to be the star of the show. By choosing a simple design with brackets that can be stained or painted to match the wood, you can create a polished look that enhances the overall aesthetic of your space without significant financial investment. Another excellent project idea is crafting a wooden coffee table. A simple, rectangular design can be both stylish and functional, making it an ideal centerpiece for your living room. By using solid wood planks and basic joinery techniques, such as pocket holes or dowels, you can create a sturdy table that showcases the wood's natural beauty. Sanding the surface to a smooth finish and applying a clear coat or oil will enhance the wood grain, resulting in a stunning piece that feels both inviting and elegant. This project can often be completed for a fraction of the cost of store-bought tables, especially when using budget-friendly wood options. In addition to furniture, wooden crafts can also extend to smaller items that add charm and functionality to everyday life. For example, creating wooden coasters is a straightforward project that requires minimal materials and tools. By cutting solid wood into squares or circles and sanding the edges, you can produce beautiful coasters that not only protect surfaces but also showcase the wood's grain and texture. A natural finish will highlight the unique characteristics of each piece, making every coaster a work of art. These coasters can serve as thoughtful gifts or be sold at local markets, providing an additional source of income. Another budget-friendly project is making wooden planters. A simple rectangular planter box can be constructed using solid wood boards, creating a space for your favorite plants or herbs. The beauty of solid wood shines through when stained or left unfinished, allowing the natural tones of the wood to enhance your garden or indoor space. These planters can be designed to fit any space, whether you need a small window box or a larger outdoor planter. By incorporating drainage holes and a liner, you ensure that your plants thrive while adding a warm, organic touch to your environment. For those interested in kitchenware, crafting wooden cutting boards is an excellent way to utilize solid wood while creating practical items for everyday use. A handcrafted cutting board can elevate any kitchen, serving as both a functional tool and a decorative element. By selecting hardwoods like maple or walnut, you can create a durable board that withstands the rigors of daily cooking while showcasing the beauty of the wood. The process involves cutting the wood into the desired shape, sanding it smooth, and applying food-safe finishes to ensure longevity. This project not only offers a functional product but also allows for personalization, making it a perfect gift for friends and family. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Wooden serving trays are another project that combines beauty and utility. A simple wooden tray can be crafted using solid wood boards, providing a stylish way to serve snacks or drinks. The natural grain patterns and colors of the wood can make each tray unique, and adding handles can enhance both functionality and aesthetics. By using basic tools and techniques, this project can be completed on a budget while yielding stunning results that are perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a cozy night in. For those looking to enhance their home with decorative elements, wooden wall art can be a fulfilling project. Using solid wood, you can create a variety of designs, from abstract shapes to more intricate patterns. The process involves cutting the wood into the desired shapes, sanding the edges, and assembling the pieces to form a cohesive design. Leaving the wood in its natural state or applying a light stain can highlight the grain and texture, creating a striking visual impact. This project allows for creativity and personalization, making it possible to design pieces that resonate with your style and enhance your living environment. Creating a wooden bench can also be an excellent project that combines beauty, functionality, and budget-friendliness. A simple bench made from solid wood can serve as additional seating in a living room, porch, or entryway. By using sturdy planks and basic construction techniques, you can build a bench that showcases the natural beauty of the wood while providing a practical solution for guests. Adding a coat of varnish or oil can protect the wood while enhancing its appearance, ensuring that it looks great in any setting. For those with children, crafting wooden toys can be both enjoyable and rewarding. Simple wooden blocks, puzzles, or pull-along toys can be made from solid wood, offering safe and durable options for play. The process of sanding and finishing the wood allows the natural beauty to shine through, making these toys not only functional but also visually appealing. Handmade wooden toys can become cherished keepsakes, passed down through generations, and they can also be a great way to promote sustainability by providing alternatives to plastic toys. As you embark on your woodworking journey, consider the importance of tools and techniques that can help keep costs down while maximizing the beauty of your projects. Basic tools such as a saw, sander, and drill can be sufficient for many projects, and investing in quality tools will pay off in the long run. Additionally, seeking out online tutorials or local workshops can provide valuable skills and knowledge, making it easier to navigate more complex projects without the need for expensive classes. Ultimately, the beauty of solid wood crafts lies in their ability to combine practicality with artistry. When approached thoughtfully, these projects can transform simple materials into cherished items that enhance any environment. Each piece crafted from solid wood carries a story, reflecting the care and creativity invested in its creation. By focusing on budget-friendly options and the natural state of the wood, artisans can create stunning results that add warmth and character to their homes while promoting sustainability and resourcefulness. Crafting with solid wood offers endless possibilities for creating beautiful, functional pieces that resonate with both makers and users. From furniture to decorative items, the potential for creativity is vast. By embracing the natural beauty of solid wood and utilizing budget-friendly strategies, anyone can create cherished additions to their environment that are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Each project not only enhances the space but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship and the material itself, making woodworking a fulfilling and enriching pursuit. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked solid wood furniture and decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.